Experience unparalleled comfort. Our wheelchair features a height-adjustable backrest and armrests tailored to your needs. The breathable fabric and a thick 18-inch by 18-inch padded seat ensure maximum comfort during long periods of use. Smooth rides are guaranteed thanks to our advanced shock absorbers. Even on uneven terrains, your comfort is our priority. Control at your fingertips. Maneuver effortlessly with our intuitive joystick control. Zero turning radius allows for sharp turns and navigation in tight spaces, making it perfect for both indoors and outdoors. Keeping active is easy. Our wheelchair is designed for convenience, arriving pre-assembled and featuring an easy-to-charge battery. Stay powered up without any hassle. Built to last, this sturdy frame supports up to 265 pounds, providing a reliable and safe journey every time. Equipped with the safety belt, our wheelchair ensures your security is never compromised. Empower your independence with speeds up to 4 miles per hour and a battery that lasts up to 9.3 miles per charge. Ready for travel? Lightweight at just 64 pounds, our wheelchair folds quickly and fits easily into standard trunk sizes. It's TSA approved, making it ideal for air travel and road trips alike.